Hi there, CreativeSarah here, and we have an awesome video for you guys. We're gonna make a groovy home porch leaner. So I took this board that it's like 8 inches wide. You probably could go as far as 10 inches wide and it would still look okay. And then it is 4 feet long, all right? You can grab any piece of wood. You can head over to Home Depot or Menards or Lowe's, and they will cut a board for you if you don't have the access to cut a board at home. Anywho, you're gonna paint it whatever color you want. I use this chalked paint in I think it's called Maui sand, and then after I dried it completely, I did wax it. So I'm waxing the whole front of this board right now. Once we are done with the wax, I'm gonna start applying the design. And I chose Groovy Home, you guys. This is so cute. I fell in love with this transfer, the stencil, when I first saw it, but couldn't figure out how I wanted to use it until this idea popped into my head. All right, so I am fuzzing it. And I'm gonna start up at the very top and I'm gonna bring it down just a little because I wanna put a little embellishment above the H. I went ahead and chalked in the H. Now the colors that I'm using here are bright white, peachy keen, sage, and camel. Those are my favorite, like super groovy autumn colors. And so I was really excited to put these together. I did pick out that orange, but realized quickly that I wasn't going to use it. So these are the only 4 colors I used. If you want to get the project kit for this project, all you have to do is comment the word groovy, Groovy, and I will send you a message with the link. Now, if you're watching on TikTok or YouTube, I won't be able to send you a message, but you can find those links in my bio. And YouTube watchers, you guys, that link is going to be right in the description of the video. Now, if you want to save 30% on everything that you order from me, go ahead and comment perks, P-E-R-K-S, and I will send you the link where you can join my perks program. You guys, it's awesome. You save 30% on every order, and I'll give you all the detail when you comment perks. And you can see how I have to add flowers in little parts because of the way this stencil is designed to go from left to right, and I'm making it go up and down. So I just it's a labor of love. I'm just replacing and positioning different florals and the little leaves into spots to kind of make it look groovy. I am using the paste and peel method because it can be a little more time consuming figuring out where everything goes and changing out your colors. Go ahead and paste a little section and then peel the transfer up, allowing that to separate like I just did there, and then pressing it back down and doing the rest of it. So just take your time, paste and peel. I did add the multi-tool into the product supplies because it's great for those little spaces, okay? Now, because I waxed the board, if you have any little errors, it's gonna be really easy to wipe off any error while it's still wet. So just keep that in mind because I did have a few little white spots that I was able to wipe up while it was still wet. And I'm just kind of, going along, filling in the little outer areas a little bit at a time. And I'm going to move on to the M. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. We got another little flower down there. Okay, but anyway, you guys, I love how this turned out, and I think you will too. You can use the colors that suit your home best. This would be an amazing gift for anyone. I just think it's gorgeous, and you could use it really anytime because the colors are so classic. You don't have to, it's not like themed for any season in particular. All right, so this M, we're just gonna go ahead and keep using the colors. I've used sage for all of the greenery, and then I kind of mix and match wherever I want the camel, the peachy keen, and really those are the 2 floral colors other than the white daisy. Like the daisy, I kind of put that big white one for the O. So just keep going. Pasting and peeling until you are done. Hopefully you guys try this. I think it is so cute. And this is one of the projects, I make a lot of projects over my days, and some you just are a little more proud of than others. And this is one of those that I truly was like, I did this. It was my idea and my brain came up with it. I picked the right colors for me and I just was so proud of it. So then we just are going to fit, and I just kind of center the letter within the board and then just put flowers around the letters. And I did see how I wiped that off? I made a little error, a little boo-boo, and I was able to wipe it off because I waxed that board. So make sure you wax your board. I did put wax and the wax applicator in the supplies. Again, if you want those supplies, all you have to do is comment the word Groovy, Groovy, and I will send that message if you are watching on Facebook or Instagram. But if you are over on TikTok or YouTube, you're going to have to go to the project description or into my bio on TikTok to get the link to the Groovy Home Porch Leaner. Again, that keyword is groovy. Hey, if you are new, go ahead and comment VIP. What I'll do is I'll send you a message with a link and you can join my free DIY and crafting group. You'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. Well, here it is, the final product. Oh my gosh, you guys, so cute. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and follow for more decor.